Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download ASUS TUF Gaming A16 drivers. So first guys, open any browser, Google search box to type like that. Okay, then you can see this is asus.com laptop, this is officially website. You just click on it, then click on support, click on driver and tool. Okay, so you can change model number also if you are using different, so you can change it. Okay, because all the driver installations process, driver download process same. Okay, scroll down, bluetooth driver and click to download. So it is completed, then open it, then click on yes, then okay, next, next, select install, next, next, install. Then it is completed, then restart your system.